We are going to look at the heart, see the structures of the heart, and see how the heart pumps blood all over the body. So this is obviously the external structure of the heart. Now we can see the internal parts of this heart. I'm going to press play, and this heart is going to start pumping. Here we have the number 70. Do you know what this stands for? This is the heart rate, or the rate at which the heart is pumping blood. This heart is pumping at a rate of 70 BPM. That means 70 beats per minute. We can increase the rate. Here's the heart at 156 BPM. You can notice that it's beating obviously faster. We can decrease it. This is a heart at 26 BPM. It's obviously beating slower. So let's keep the heart at a slow enough rate in order to be able to observe what's happening inside. This moving light represents blood that is moving in the heart while the heart is beating. So we start off, blood enters the atria through the veins. So the blood will enter the left and right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cava and through the pulmonary veins. Then the atria will contract and this blood will go to the ventricles. After it goes into the ventricles will contract and the bicuspid and tricuspid valves close, and now the blood will go into the aorta and into the pulmonary artery, passing through the semilunar valves. So the semilunar valves will open here when the ventricles contract to allow this blood to go into the aorta and the pulmonary artery. And that's how this blood leaves the heart. Now new blood at the same time is entering into the atria, and so on. The heart doesn't stop beating, it doesn't stop pumping blood, and that's actually what keeps us alive. So this was all at 16 BPM. Let's watch this at, for example, 76 BPM. Notice how hard, notice how fast your heart is constantly pumping blood. So this is basically the heart.